All right, welcome to the SocialFlip channel, and we're going to just go over logging in and what the dashboard looks like. So we're going to sign in. So we're signed in here, and as you can see, we have the content already listed here. And what this allows you to do is just kind of look at the content you've already created. It'll bring you directly to this page right here. Your content library matches here, templates and hooks. You can minimize this if you'd like to give yourself some more room. But on this dashboard, what'll happen when you first sign in originally is you won't have anything here. It'll be all zeros. This won't even be here. It'll be blank, right? And what you'll have to do is you'll have to set your brand voice. And what you'll do is you'll come into here and set your brand voice. This will be completely blank. You'll fill out all of these questions, add some content examples, analyze your brand voice. And what that's going to do is it's going to create a specific guide here. And you can look at this and you can make your adjustments if you'd like. But what this is doing is making sure that all of your content that you create matches your brand voice and is authentic. And so what this allows you to do is you can just read through this, take a look at what the AI has deemed part of your brand voice, some of the industry words, the brand values, language that you want to avoid in any of the content you create. And then here's your content guidelines, right? And you can, copy this and paste it into the main page of the dashboard right here. You can just kind of copy and paste this, go up here and save it and go back. And then what you can do is you just go back to your dashboard and then you would open this up like this. Your brand name will already be there, but this will be blank. And you'll just have to copy and paste what you want your brand voice to be. Now, what's wonderful about this is you can make adjustments to this as time goes on to fine tune your brand voice. And the AI will also understand the more you use it, the more you update it, what it is that you're looking for. But this is one of the major features that's different and separates SocialFlip IO from any of the other tools that are out there is that, yes, you can't escape AI, but you can personalize it and you can make it exactly what you want it to be as you create your content. So this is just a walkthrough of the main dashboard. We're going to slide right into the next page, which is the generate content page, and I'll walk you through the features of what that looks like. See you there.